Check out this Ford 2019 F-150 Lariat. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, tires, front all-season and tires, rear all-season. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.